Hi everybody, this is Matt from the Rattle Bunny's Den. Today we're celebrating 40 subscribers. That's 40 folks that thought enough of my videos to go ahead and hit that little red button down in the corner. If you'd like to be kept up to date with the videos that I make, which I usually release every Friday morning, please go ahead and hit that red button and the little bell next to it. That way you'll get a notification and it'll tell you when a new video is available. Also, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you don't like them, thumbs down is acceptable too, and please leave a note in the description to tell me what you thought. I appreciate your thoughts, suggestions, anything you guys would like to see. That would be wonderful. So today, to celebrate 40 subscribers, we're going to be building this kit right here. This is a signal generator that's available on Amazon.com, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link to it in the description down below so you can build the same kit if you'd like. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's open this puppy up. We go with the puppies again. Not even sure if this comes with, or what kind of instructions this comes with. We're just kind of winging it here today. It is the 4th of July, by the way, that I'm recording this. Happy birthday, America. I love you. Love my country. I love other countries too, but, you know, I was born here, so, you know. It's one of those things. It's not really nepotism, but it's definitely nationalism a bit. That, and I haven't been to a whole lot of other countries. One day I'm really hoping to go to Japan to check out some of the gaming stuff that's there. All right, so we're gonna set that aside over here, and let's see here. Let's open these up. Okay, this calls it a function generator. And that's that, huh? Alright. Okay. So this is our instructions. They're not super detailed, but there's not a whole lot of stuff here to deal with. We'll look at the components here in a minute. Let's look at this bag first. Alrighty. We have acrylic case parts with the infuriating paper on them, although I understand why. Alright, well there's our case parts. We'll set those aside for now. And we'll set the instructions aside. And this is the board. So that's our board. That's what we're going to be working with. Okay, so here's our components. We got 3 knobs, 3 potentiometers, terminal block. This looks like some electrolytic caps, some ceramic caps or tantalum caps, a power socket, some jumpers, a couple resistors, a couple of terminals, some more resistors. Not the most complex of things. In addition to that, in this little baggie right here, we have our, must be the controller chip of some kind. It is an XR2206 CP. So let's set these aside, get a little bit organized, and we'll get going. amp does. That's the amplitude. And according to the, if you can see on the upper right hand corner over here, it shows you the frequency that it's at. And right now, find my brain goggles, it's at 63 kilohertz or thereabouts, just over. It's doing a sine wave, which it should. And this changes the frequency. And that is as high as that will go. And it looks like 166.5 kilohertz. That's 13 hertz, triangle wave. Can adjust the frequency. You know, to be honest, it seems like it's going to be not bad. I mean, it's you know, for what I need, it seems to work. Okay, well, it's kind of a square wave. Oh, there we go. Now we can square it off. Sort of. It's a square-ish wave. I wouldn't say it's exactly, I mean, you know. So there it is, and it seems to work. So that's our project for the 40 subscriber celebration. Thanks to you guys that have gone ahead and subscribed. I really appreciate it. If you have any suggestions for future milestones, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you like what I do, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't. And if you're interested in supporting the channel in any other way, I do have a Patreon account set up. The link is in the description below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.